Time's now 4:47. Let's get over to Peyton. You need to be weather aware, especially this morning on the morning commute.
Yeah, unfortunately, we are going to be tracking some rain for your morning commute. If you're getting out right now, it's still not too bad, but in the next couple of hours, storms blowing in. Let's start with how today shapes up. Temperature-wise, we're back in the low 70s today. It's not going to warm up a lot, but we're still in the 70s, and yes, rain is likely, at least for the morning hours. There's also a risk for severe weather. The good news is this is a low risk. Not everyone's going to see a terrible weather. Now, at times, you may get some hail and some gusty winds, but the overall risk are all low, and on our scale of 1 to 5, we're at a level 1, which just means 1 or 2 storms today could get strong. I don't think they're all going to be giant hail producers. Now, here's what we're watching. Radar this morning. We're in a bit of a lull right now. We've got rain to our west. We've got a big storm to our east, just off the coast of Biloxi. If you're in Biloxi this morning, that's a light show for you off in the Mississippi Sound. But look out to the west here. We've got some showers approaching Tangipahoa Parish. Not much going on in the city, but look out towards Lafayette and into the Atchafalaya Basin. Showers and storms much more widespread. This is all heading our direction, so we do have this coming in the next couple of hours. So once we get closer to the 6 and 7 a.m. hour is when a lot of this is going to start to pick up. Notice by 6 a.m. or so, we're starting to see more storms pop up across the area, and that'll continue through the morning. Now, as we get into the late morning, 11 to noon, notice the heaviest moving out, and yes, there may be a few stragglers this afternoon, rainfall rise, but the heaviest will be gone by this afternoon and cooler weather will be moving in. So this will be mainly during this morning from around 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. That'll be our main time frame. So our severe weather threats all on the low end. Winds and hail are the main things we're watching. Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and 1 or 2 storms. Tornadoes are not likely. Now, the threat is not 0, but it's not very high. We'll keep an eye on it for you, though. Flooding, not going to be a widespread problem. Most people pick up ½ an inch to an inch, but there could be an isolated 2 inches or so. That could lead to some localized street flooding. After today, temperatures, or rather rain chances, 20 tomorrow. We're dry on Thursday, low rain chances this weekend, and it does turn cooler tonight. Look at our temperatures waking up tomorrow morning, 50s, both sides of the lake. Got to get the sweaters back out, and then it's short-lived. We're back in the 70s on Thursday and then the 80s for Friday and Saturday. So Wednesday, tomorrow, the high is only 68 degrees. So a great morning to stay weather aware. Of course, download our WWL TV app. You can track radar there. You can watch the forecast and get the forecast throughout the day as well. The overall risk for severe weather, it's low, but it is there. So we will keep an eye on it. The main things, key messaging are large hail and maybe some gusty winds. That tornado threat is very, very low. This afternoon we will dry out. Tomorrow morning maybe a little shower, but the afternoon will be drier, and then there we are heading into the end of the work week. We're warming back up into the 80s. Maybe some rain around for the upcoming weekend.